This is how you turn a dense research report into a data reel people actually watch. No charts to build, no designer. Start in the skills library. This one's the data reel skill. It reads any article and pulls out the story. Drag it into the prompt, and Baz has the entire playbook. Switch to plan mode first, so Baz finds the angle before it builds anything. Then just give it the article, paste the link, and tell it which numbers matter. Drop in the infographic, and it reads the stats right off the chart. Tell Baz to execute. It picks the 6 strongest data points, builds a chart for each, and animates the whole reel, voice baked right in. A few seconds later, your reel is ready. Not quite right? Just ask. Lead with the big number. Slow the build. It only recuts what you point at. And once it feels like your brand, tell it to update the skill. Now Baz remembers your palette, your voice, your format. Next report, paste any article, and it makes a reel for everyone. One skill, every insight, in motion. That's baz.studio.